every single one of you is wrong about Chimaev's wrestling. Let's talk about it. तो UFC 319 just happened last night and बहुत लोग angry है. लोग कह रहे हैं कि that was the worst main event in history. What a boring title fight, complete snooze fest. इतनी hype थी इस fight के लिए. For what? Just to see Chimaev hug, wrestle DDP the whole 25 minutes? हमने इसके लिए पैसे दिए थे. But I completely disagree with those people. Now don't get me wrong. As a fan watching the fight, it definitely wasn't the best to watch. Right? No one likes जो पूरी fight मतलब ground पे हो. No one likes that. You could hear the fans in the arena booing. Referee भी intentionally Khamzat को उठा रहा था because he was like, you're not really doing anything with this position, so get up and strike. And honestly, every time that the fight was on the feet, I thought Dricus du Plessis looked amazing. मतलब हर बार जब feet पे थी मैं Khamzat के लिए थोड़ा सा डर जाता था. I was like, yaar, even for like 5 seconds, the fight is on the feet and Khamzat gets tagged badly. But then at the start of every round, Khamzat Chimaev takes down Dricus du Plessis with so much ease. इतना easy किसने सोचा था भाई? Dricus du Plessis अपने आप को बुला रहा था, I am the boogeyman of this division. He's gonna take me down. Let him take me down. I'll also take him down. All that strength, where was that in the fight? लोग Chimaev को इतनी hate दे रहे हैं कि भाई that was boring, you're a loser now, no smash everybody, you're the most boring fighter. Look at the guy's last 14 fights. Look at his last fight, right? I think he has 12 finishes out of 15 fights. To completely switch an opinion based off just one fight is crazy to me. And I think a lot of people are just angry because ये fight इतनी hyped up थी. People expected a total war and उनको वो नहीं मिला and now they have to about it. Let's blame Khamzat. Just think about the game plan that him and his team made. And this is the first time Khamzat Chimaev's really done that. You know, someone in my comments actually said ki bhai wrestlers are boring. All they do is keep you on the ground. I said ki not in the case of Khamzat because Khamzat is looking for every second of the fight to finish you. He's vicious. He's trying to end the fight every second. But इस fight में it was different. It was clear कि Khamzat की टीम ने and Khamzat ने खुद Dricus du Plessis को काफी respect दी थी. Overall, as a fight, it obviously wasn't entertaining. It was, in fact, quite standard, quite boring, some would say. But to give Chimaev the heat for that, पूरी भड़ास उस पे निकालना is so stupid. Like जो भी ये fans कहे कि ये fight इतनी boring थी, Khamzat एक loser है, Khamzat is the most boring fighter, वो जाके ये Dricus को क्यों नहीं बोलते? It's not a one-way street, right? A fight takes two people. Gilbert Burns kept it on the feet, and that fight was amazing. To Dricus du Plessis, why couldn't he keep it on the feet? जब उसने हम सबको promise किया था कि let's go, let's see what happens, you know, take down करते हैं. I just think it's so stupid to blame Khamzat Chimaev for executing his game plan perfectly, and now people are defending DDP की अरे यार ये तो अच्छा था, इसने तो अच्छी कोशिश करी. Like it's dumb to me. And to be fair, मैं कुछ DDP पे shade नहीं throw कर रहा. I'm just saying कि if you're gonna blame someone for not making this fight entertaining, blame the opponent too. Khamzat की eyes में, Khamzat की team के eyes में, it was a complete domination. And it was their game plan. The crazy thing is, मेरे को, आपको, DDP की entire team को, पूरी दुनिया को पता था कि Chimaev क्या करने वाला है. हम सबको पता था. Takedowns are coming. सबको पता था. Why weren't you able to reverse them? Why did nothing happen when you had top position? क्यों? Instead सारा blame Chimaev पे जा रहा है, Chimaev की team पे जा रहा है. Come on. मेरे opinion में obviously the fight wasn't pretty to watch, but I couldn't help but admire कितना strong है Chimaev for this weight division. You know, सबको लगा था कि DDP is probably the only guy who could give Chimaev a run for his money. And we see Chimaev literally Thanos du Plessis like he was nothing. उसकी जो टाइटल डिफेंसेस थी, यू नो, स्ट्रिकलैंड के अगेंस्ट, आडेसान्या के अगेंस्ट, they were worth nothing in this fight. All that experience, all that cardio, everything that he had, all gone. It was weird क्योंकि जब मैं Chimaev को फाइट करते हुए देख रहा था on the feet, you know, हर राउंड के स्टार्टिंग में the fight started on the feet, I could see du Plessis cracking Chimaev up, tagging him instantly, and then Chimaev would go for the takedowns. जब हम चिमाएव की इंटायर गेम देखते हैं, we just see him as a wrestler. Entirely it's been takedowns, right? Submissions, takedowns, submissions. But like I said, this is a double-edged sword. And मैंने DDP को थोड़ा सा दिया, अब मैं खमजा चिमाएव पे आने वाला हूँ. Chimaev, this was an MMA fight. And there's nothing wrong with him, and I'm not saying there was nothing wrong with the strategy, क्योंकि there really wasn't. The problem is कि उसका जो एक weapon है, which is his wrestling, it's so strong that it literally doesn't matter. आप पूछ रहे होगे, KS, what doesn't matter? Nothing else matters. Can you think of anyone जो इसकी wrestling को actually defend कर पाए? We saw Kamaru Usman actually do very well on just 10 days notice. लेकिन it's crazy to me. There were barely any kicks thrown, barely any punches thrown by Chimaev on the feet, मैं कह रहा हूँ. But उसका जो एक trump card है, जो उसकी wrestling है, it's so effective. Like, he doesn't need to do anything. Why would you do anything when you can just win the fight easily with this amount of pressure? Right? It doesn't make sense. But obviously, entertainment standpoint say, we guys didn't like it, fans didn't like it, we kind of suffered, but this is the name of the game. Fights don't have to be pretty. Ultimately, they're about winning, and that's what happened in this fight. Everyone who's calling Chimaev's wrestling this, that, is boring, he doesn't deserve to be champion, blah, 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 like, grow up. Obviously, it wasn't pretty to watch, but you have to blame DDP too. Khamzat Chimaev got a performance of the night. Do you think Dana White would have given anyone a performance of the night if he thought they didn't deserve it? That was utter domination. And with 526 strikes landed, he was trying his hardest. He definitely deserves to be the new middleweight champion of the world. Let me know आप लोगों को क्या लगा about the fight. Obviously it wasn't pretty. Obviously it wasn't great to watch, but I was just in awe. I was in like, wow, someone is doing this to Dricus du Plessis for 5 rounds? That's unreal to me, especially after the recent title defenses that DDP has. Insane fight. Let me know आप लोगों को क्या लगा in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.